What do these businesses all have in common? Automotive service, furniture stores, medical dental offices, a lawyer, jewelry store, even a funeral home. Let's think. They all do big ticket sales and services. $1,000, $5,000, $10,000. Now, what's the one thing that all these businesses do not use that's readily available that can increase their revenue up to 2 and 3 times more? Consumer or customer finance. So a lot of these businesses do not offer their customers or clients financing on their products or services. Explain to you exactly what customer financing is. It's basically when the customer fills out an application, a third-party lender pays the business owner, you or the business owner, in full, and the customer pays the lender in monthly installments. And there's no recourse to you if the customer defaults, right? So what I found out by talking to a lot of business owners was either, number one, they never heard of customer financing, or they never thought that you could do it, or someone else can do it for them. Number two, they heard about it but just don't use it. Number three, they try to do it themselves, in-house financing, right? And the only thing they do with the client is run a credit check and check the job, and they end up getting burnt. But the thing is, if you're using a third party, in most cases, because the third party lender is making money off of the interest payments to the customer, it is absolutely free. Okay, so what are the obvious advantages of somebody doing high ticket sales to offer the customers customer financing? Well, the most obvious one is, of course, it's going to increase the average ticket size or sales, right, per sale. For instance, a customer walks into a furniture store, or you might have a designer clothing store. So I'm going to just use a furniture store as an example. I walk into a furniture store with, $500 or $800 to get a dining room table and some chairs. And now I see in the store there's a really nice sectional that I can put in my empty den downstairs. But of course it's $2,500. I don't have that kind of money right now. Obviously, furniture store offers financing. Guess what? I qualify. Now I get a dining room table, and I get right my pitch set, right? So another obvious reason, of course, is the store promotes that they do customer financing. You're going to increase store traffic. Send out flyers, put an ad in the paper, online, put a big sign up on your storefront window saying customer financing. Okay, you're going to increase your sales conversions, right? Let's use an auto repair as an example. Take my car in, turns out to be $1,200. I was only expecting to spend like $4 or $5. What's the customer going to do? He's going to turn down the auto repair center and say, hey, man, look, I can't afford that right now. I'm going to have to come back and get my car and bring it to y'all later. But really, he's going to take it to somebody else and try to get a better price. And you are definitely going to get a lot of referrals, okay? So there's no question. There's absolutely no way out of that if you do customer financing. And you can do all of this, like I said, for free, all right? Okay, guys, there I am, the guy with the good hair. My name is Robert Williams. I'm the founder of 607 Cash, independent agency of David Allen Capital, and we also provide customer financing services for our business owner clients. Okay, we have one of the best programs because we do subprime approvals, which means if someone has a 480 or 500 credit score, then we can get them approved. Okay, and as you look here at the site, this is the site that I'll be leading you to. You'll find the link somewhere in the description or below the video. But these are an example of some of the verticals that we work with. Before, medical and dental offices, automotive repair shops, home improvement. Okay, there will be like a direct to consumer financing, anything that dealing with home improvement or plumbing. We do coaching and training, consulting, trade schools, other things that are listed here, like car accessories, even like trailers for trucks. We don't do any car financing, but anything with accessories, like even fifth wheel trailers or something like that. If you're in that type of industry, this will be a good alternate to go to in case the customer financing program that you're using already can't approve your client. Okay, and like I said, I'm talking to hundreds of business owners in the past couple of years, and anybody who's doing big ticket sales, I would almost suggest that you do this. Like I said, I usually go to businesses trying to get them funding, but a lot of businesses that's doing high ticket sales, I usually just suggest to them, if they're not using customer financing, sign up with customer financing and then get you a cash advance or a loan, because that way you're already making money with your business and you'll be able to pay them back and they'll see that. Small setup fee, you'll get your own website, your software, and you can approve, send one of your clients to get approved within less than an hour from your business, from your phone, from your laptop at home. You'll be on this site here, and then they'll send you straight to a form that you can just fill out. And then what happens is a representative will get back with you in 48 hours to figure out what's the best program for you. And even though it says right there, it says $40,000 in revenue that you must be making. If you're making like 20 or 25 or even 30, we do have a program for you if you want to do customer financing. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one.